Hello. Alright. I know a lot of people use happy planners because of the ability to add things to them. I myself like the Recollections Spiral Planner, but you can't add stuff. They don't have a hole punch for it. I just found this the other day. It is the Making Memories punch board with adjustable punches. Now it's $24.99 where I found it, but I did have a 40% off coupon. So I used it, and it comes with the holes for the ring bound planner. But for $12.99 they have the holes for the spiral. They've got 4 holes per inch, 3 holes per inch, or 2 holes per inch. So we're going to look at this and see how it goes. So let me get it opened up and we'll see how it goes from there. I don't know if there's a way to pause this video, so I will be right back. Alright, so I do have it opened up. The punches that came with the spiral, like I said, they were set for 4 holes per inch, 3 holes per inch, or 2 holes per inch. So measuring my recollections here, it looks like per inch I need the 4 holes. So I don't know if you can see this. I'll kind of show it up here, but you know, there's in an inch there's about 4 holes because you got to leave a little space and kind of center it. So when you take it out of the box, you know, here's the punch. This shows you where the center line is, and it's got center marked on here. It does have the graph on the back of how to use the individual holes, where to line them up for every planner if you have the ring bound planner. I already have punches for the ring bound planners. I mean, I will keep this and use it. But you can center it up there. Now this looks like you can use this punch 2 ways. So just real quick here on the directions, you know, if you just have something small, you could hand punch it and it leaves nice little holes. To help line up like a longer sheet, we'll see if I can do this. So I've got it in the little groove because there is just a little one, and if you look close here you can see it's got all these little gauges, but it is marked center. So I'll put that in the center, and let's see if we can stamp this card to add. So it's got where you can see the punches. So I would put it in and just kind of line up the edges, and then you punch down, which makes it a little easier. Then lining back up, because see it's got the nice holes punched, you just take it and you line up the holes with the little pink on the side here. Can you see the little pink dots? So you just line it up like that. Make sure it's straight. It's got where your paper sits here. Get everything lined up. Punch again. Move it down. Line up all your punches. And you want to make sure your 4th one is lined up with the one closest to the edge. So you've got it right here, and line it up where you can see it. Punch. And this was just a greeting card that I cut in half. I like the glitter, and I thought it would be pretty. So we'll get that last punch up and line it up. And it left a little hole there. But see, it looks like it's all nice and even. And put stuff on the back. Pull this out. All the little hole punches are collected here. So let's see how well it fits in the planner. That was pretty easy to use. Alrighty. So we'll say we want it right here. It looks to me like that lined up pretty darn good. So in my opinion, I think it seemed to work well. I can now add stuff to my spiral planner using it was easy enough to punch with this. The paper here I tried was very thin. This, like I said, is like a greeting card. So it's a little bit thicker cardstock. I do have a couple little holes that are laying around there. So let's set this over here. I'm trying to look to see if I have any thicker paper that we can try this on. Well, here's the packaging that it came with. I don't know if it will punch this or not, so let's find out. Hand-wise, no. So let's try if we put it in here, because you're going to get, you know, you've got more room. Like I said, I don't know if it will punch the cardboard or not. Yes, it does, because you've got all this extra leverage. But it looks like it didn't come back out right. So it's, my paper's kind of stuck. So you didn't jump, there it goes. So tapping it, so yeah, you could add cardboard. I don't know if I would use this to punch through like laminate. But all in all, I think this is a pretty good system. If you're just wanting to add stuff to a spiral bound planner, I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, you can use it like this, or you can put it in here. If, like me, I have problems with my wrist and stuff, and sometimes it's a little harder for me to punch something with just my thumb, where I get the extra leverage being able to use two hands. So I think I'm going to like this, and if I have any other issues or anything, I'll let you know. So my review for the We Are Memory Keepers punch inserts is I think they line up nice for the Recollections Planner. And it does, the extra spiral does have the 2 square punches. So like if you were using a planner with these type of rings, you can see it would line up for these. So you'd be able to use it on this type of planner. And the planner, and this one's got the 3 holes. So if you've got the one with a little bit bigger. And those were $12.99 for these 3 extra ones. You could use a 40% off coupon on it, or make till punches are 50% off. And then this came with the 5 separate holes. And it's got the, like I said, on the bottom, that has like the 2-ring album. And it tells you where to put the holes, like at 20, 72, and you can add your own. And it's got a whole bunch of albums listed here. I see like the Ring album, Filofax, it's got Webster's, Carpe Diem, Recollections, the Euro, the 7-ring album, Franklin Coventry, Daytimer, Heidi Swap, Instax. And then it's got all these little lines are numbered, so you would know where to line it up at for each individual planner. So I am pleased to be able to add stuff to my ring, because I bought it specifically just to add to my spiral planner. Because like I said, I have a 5-hole punch, but I will keep these because, you know, if I have this all set up, it may be a little bit easier to use this instead of dragging out the whole punch. So thanks for watching. And it was pretty easy to use, so I didn't have any trouble with it. And it does have this little drawer on the bottom that you can fold down to dump all the paper punches out. So that will be helpful. So you can see it and the paper punches fall out. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.